Hey guys, it's Monica and welcome back. So today we are doing a back to basics video. We are going to be making some Starbucks cold cups. And so as you guys know, I was a silhouette girl, still am a silhouette girl, but I've been using my Cricut. And so I thought it'd be really good to show you guys some basic things in Cricut if you have like designs or anything like that. So show you guys how to do those. And so I'm pretty much just opened up a window in Cricut Studio or whatever it's called, not really sure. I downloaded these designs, one from Etsy, one from the internet, and I will leave a link to both of them below in case you're interested in these designs. And so once you download it, you just hit the browse button, hit upload. I am changing the name of it. Bada boom. Then you're gonna hit upload. You can see now it's like in your recent uploads. You guys can see some other things that I worked on. If you want to see how those turned out, let me know. And then you're going to add it to your canvas. And so it's as simple as that when you buy designs off the internet to get them into your Cricut Studio. And if it's not Cricut Studio, I'm so sorry that I'm saying it wrong, but forgive me. And so yeah, it's that simple. This is going to just be a one layer design. If you guys want to see me do layers, anything like that, I can definitely do it. And then from there, you will just click make it. And so today's video is sponsored by TeckWrap. They have sent me some beautiful vinyls to use. And so these ones are a little thicker. They have some texture. They are their diagonal rainbow stripe adhesive vinyl. And so I did cut these vinyls. But like I said, because they are a little thicker, they have a little more oomph to them, and they are permanent vinyls, which makes them awesome. I do cut these on the iron-on setting. You'll see me switch it in just a minute. It's right now it's on iron-on plus, and then I just adjust the knob on the actual Cricut machine, and I change it to iron-on, and I found that to be the perfect depth to cut these vinyls that they sent me. So you see now it's switched to iron-on, and I just follow like directions, just hit the little M button, and you are good to go. Then you go ahead and load it, then press the little C button, and you're good to go. So it's as simple as that when you are buying a design online in order to make these kind of simple cups that you see everyone making. And so yeah, one more trick I want to show you guys. I did another design. This one's hearts. We're almost Valentine's Day. If you ain't got no date, girl, it's cool. These men, they ain't worth it no way. And so I did the same thing, downloaded this, uploaded it. And so when you go to, so you can see like there's different shapes, sizes of the hearts. So when you go to cut this, so you go up to make it, you can see like, you can see there's all these different individual hearts that like, when you go to cut it, they're all gonna cut individually like this. This is not what we want. We want to cut them in that pattern. That way we can lay it all down at one time. So what I found that you do is that you can click the ones that you want individually like this, or you can just Control A, and then you'll have them all together, and then you're gonna want to hit attach. And then once you hit attach, it keeps it all as one design. And then when you go to make it, boom, now you have the design all set. So that's a little trick that I've learned since I got my Cricut a couple of months ago in order to keep the designs like in the pattern that you want it, like this, especially when you're only doing one layer. You don't need to have them all layered up. Again, cut it on the iron-on setting and you are good to go. So here's just a little footage of me cutting. Like I said, that color right there is called Tea Rose from TeckWrap Diagonal Rainbow Stripes Adhesive Vinyl. And yes, y'all, like, can y'all believe it? This is our first sponsored video. So I'm trying not to cut up, too much because, we want the sponsors to come back. We are trying to grow over here. So like the video. And they also were nice enough to give me a discount code. The code is going to be Period6Designs. That will save you 10% off your order. So please, please, please click the links below. Check out TeckWrap class. Place a little order. Let's get it popping, ladies. We got to get it going. Oh, speaking of which, if you follow me on Instagram and you have like a little business page, I need to follow y'all. I want to follow y'all. I be trying to follow y'all as I see y'all come through and follow me. If I have not followed you, goodness gracious, MJ, you talking too fast. If I have not followed you yet, please leave a comment under my latest post and I will follow you back, because like, let's get it popping, let's support each other. It's 2022, we got to get it going. And so they also sent me these cute little tweezers that are actually really sharp, and I stabbed myself. The first time I stabbed myself with these very sharp tweezers, I thought I was gonna pass out. Not even gonna lie, they are very sharp and great to use for weeding. And so the material is super easy to weed, as you can see. Like I said, when I cut it on that iron-on setting, it was like the perfect depth to not like overcut it or undercut it. You know, still have to poke a few little pieces out, but that is expected anytime you cut any vinyl. So yeah, and that is what we are working with. That one is super pretty. And again, that's the color Tea Rose, TeckWrap Craft, today's sponsor. All right, y'all. Cold cups from Starbucks. They are $3. If you want the Starbucks cups, you got to go to Starbucks. They are $3. Your local Starbucks store. You can get them in the drive-thru. You can get them in the store. You know those Starbucks that are like in the grocery store? They got them there too. They're only $3. Now, if you want to go and get the bootleg version, baby girl, that is on you. But these ones right here that I am using, those ones come from Starbucks. And that's all I got to say about it. So please do not leave a comment asking where the cups come from. I just told you, Starbucks cups from Starbucks. Are y'all not drinking Starbucks? Okay, fun story. Yesterday, I went in the fridge because I'm like, you know, I like the cold brew, cold foam drinks. And they are, like, they're expensive. So I bought, like, all my own supplies to do it, even, like, one of those little frother tools. I go and I pull everything out the fridge to make my, you know, I pulled out my oat milk, my almond creamer, and I got my syrups on the counter. I go to pull everything out. And so the last thing I go to pull out is the actual cold brew. Y'all, while my cold brew was missing, I called my husband like, did you throw away the cold brew? I know he did. He thought he was slick. I know he threw it away. Either that or he drank it all. He's going to be like, oh, no, it's not in there. Just go to, because I live like a mile from a Starbucks. He was like, just go to Starbucks and just get your cold brew. No, I wanted to make my own because I want to save my $5, sir. Now, if I know it's your job to clean out the fridge. You know, we a teamwork, dream work. I appreciate that you keeping up your end of the bargain. But now I have to go spend $6 on a drink. And that is my rant for this video. And so when I do these cups, I like to, in this case, I liked it better upright. And then y'all going to see me struggle because we like to keep in those parts because I can't lay them down perfectly the first time. I never have. I don't think I ever will be able to. And that is okay because as we're learning, we're growing. And so like I said, I wanted to do a back to basics video because I know a lot of ladies are looking into starting their business and don't really know what to do, don't really know what to sell. And I think basic cups like this that use really nice vinyl and like good vinyl and like the design is almost built into the vinyl is like the best way to start. These are affordable things to make. The vinyl is not expensive. The cup is not expensive. And it doesn't take up a lot of your time. And so, and people love these cups. Like, who wouldn't want to drink out of this cup? And if you don't want to drink out of this cup, you lame. So I'm going to just say that. And so, boom, that's what it is. And so now we're going to do the other cup. This one is the Hearts cup. And I am using the Cricut Strong Grip because this vinyl is textured. I do like the Strong Grip best with it, and they'll send me their little tool. I already have another one of their tools with the felt edge, so I'm just adding this one to the collection. Their little tools are great. Love it. And so this color is called, I hope I say this right, Lycerian Purple. I know I'm not the best with pronunciation. I'll be putting a little spice on everything. Did I tell y'all about the time at work? They was like, oh yeah, go ask, damn, I can't remember that man's name, but say his name was like something like Byron, and I'm like, you talking about Byron? And I'm just like, oh my goodness, I have to stop putting in my mind everything has like spice to it because like why not like spice up the world, okay? And so yeah, now I'm just when I like to lay these down, I don't try to get the whole thing around because you can do it if you like cut like slits in it because it is curved and tapered, so double whammy, makes it harder. But I try to get one side down and then I'll lift it up and then I'll come back and do the other side. So yeah, just take your time with these. But yeah, like I said, permanent vinyl. People always ask, like when I do cups like this, how do you seal them in? Baby girl, they're not sealed. We're using high quality permanent vinyl. No need to seal it. You're good. Don't seal it. You can seal it if you want to, but I'm telling you right now, you don't have to. Like if you did this like on top of like epoxy or something like that, definitely feel free to seal it. Here, you don't have to. I'm just using my tool to help me. And I said, take your time. Y'all see, I'm turning the cup every which way. Like, don't ever I feel like I see videos of people and like they seem perfect. And y'all know over here, we do not try to be perfect. We just try to make it look good. We just want it to look good, be properly done. We want our things to cure, to set, and be good. And I'm saving that vinyl because you know that that transfer tape can absolutely be used again, okay? No wasting around here. And now I'm just going back and pressing all of those in, making sure we're getting maximum adhesion between the cup and the vinyl. And this is the final result. So this is the first cup made with the Tea Rose vinyl. And I really love this vinyl. You see how it's giving off like that sparkly effect. So it's like you get the effect like ombre glitter, but you didn't really have to use ombre glitter. And you get like multiple colors. Super pretty. Really love this. So thank you for watching, you guys. If you have any comments, questions, or anything like that, leave them below. Let me know how your day is going. Don't forget to thumbs up the video. Subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Instagram at PeriodSixDesigns. Follow me on TikTok at PeriodSixGlitter. Also, don't forget, go to TeckWrap Craft's website, TeckWrapCraft.com, where you can pick up your own selection of these vinyls and use my code PeriodSixDesigns to get 10% off your order. And I will see you guys in the next one.